Hello everyone, this is your D.Machinery channel, a tribute to human skill, smart tools, and the unstoppable rhythm of industry.
Keep going!
Forget the band, these two make their own heavy metal soundtrack. The operator tried to save himself, but the safest place was inside the cab. Sometimes, fear moves faster than reason. That's not a comb for giants, it's a rake attachment loosening tons of packed sand in seconds. An excavator rocks an old rail pry tool to slip in replacement tracks. Smooth and oddly satisfying. This is a chicken catching machine. It uses spinning drums lined with flexible rubber fingers to gently scoop up the birds. The system moves them onto a conveyor platform with a telescopic arm that can reach across wide cages, all while calming blue lights keep the chickens relaxed during the process. Jumping from Europe to China, this hand pump pulled water for rural homes in the 30s and still puts in work today. Make all hair install like a pro. Looks simple. The rhythm is the trick. Giant hedge trimmer with twin arms and triple serrated discs per side. German engineering flex. Five robotic arms, sensors dialed in. This rig spots and picks broccoli with careful precision. Not fully autonomous. Driver up front, pickers on the ground, conveyors feeding a giant bin of apples. Splitting oil palm trunks? Yes, those slices become organic fertilizer for the next generation. Press work for an opal-shaped stainless fry strainer, from flat to formed in minutes. A clamp-and-place machine grips pavers, moves them, and sets each stone perfectly. Making a giant bucket, plastic flakes into a mold, 120 degrees Celsius, spin 10-15 minutes, done like magic. Similar setup, different job. This one lays a cement concrete road with steady pace. Tractor-mounted shucker tears through corn and separates kernels fast. While others go CNC, this carver goes manual. High-speed motor, signature tool, insanely satisfying result. A transplanter built for many veggies, a staple across European farms. That spinning drum freezes poured cream and soda in seconds. Asia's favorite rolled ice street show. Electroplating in action, copper wire gets a sleek, silver-colored coat via electrolysis. A nimble RC mower trims grass from up to 10 meters away. Tiny beast, big cut. Big tractor with a serious header, ready for grain or hay duty. Medicine capsules get printed like this, uniform, fast, and oddly mesmerizing. Industrial separator cracks eggs, splits whites and yolks, shells out. Extruder time. Molten plastic forms corrugated tubing as it moves through the die. Plates pull metal ore in the mill like a sci-fi trick. The spear attachment lifts and stacks square bales onto tall trailers with ease. Mixed vegetables in, mega shredder out. Prep at turbo speed. Duck eggs dipped in a special mix. Hello, century eggs, the classic Chinese way. Small tractor feeds a corn shucker with cobs straight from the pile. A simple jig turns salted radish prep from slow to speedy. Peeling a basketball's top layer to reveal a hidden pattern, oddly soothing. A 1945 bank machine counts and sorts coins by size like it's nothing. Clean road graphics rely on a tiny tool that line crews swear by. In 1945, this humble peeler turned apples into spirals in seconds. Leveling a concrete floor while cracking jokes. Good vibes, great finish. A cluster of heavy hammers pulverizes concrete into recyclable rubble. Tape Factory POV. Adhesive gets cast, layered, and sliced into supermarket rolls. Spindle sander kisses a red-toned edge into a perfect curve. Tree shaker grabs a walnut trunk and vibrates out a faster harvest. Automated lathe spins a square blank into a detailed banister. Blink, and it's done. Laser cutter dances across sheet metal, carving intricate patterns at speed. Brick line straps, stacks, and stages pallets like clockwork. Precision blade trims adhesive film on a giant cylinder. Clean cut, zero fuss. CNC lathe machines a round bronze-colored part with surgical accuracy. Multi-axis CNC flips, turns, and cuts. Precision theater on a single workpiece. Filament winder wraps a green tank in fiberglass. Layer. Crane plus orange sling, heavy yellow pipeline lifted safely into position. Tree shear on a yellow excavator slices through a tall trunk like butter. Popper car crawls forward, raining ballast onto rail ties for a perfect bed. A walk-behind peanut harvester gently lifts rows from the soil. Compact tracked harvester pulls green onions cleanly from the field. A tractor digs up bright red sweet potatoes, row after row of treasure. Debarker strips a spinning log, bark, cambium, wood, down to clean core. Press molds clay into bowls at high speed, uniform, strong, ready to fire. Walnut sheller cracks and separates at scale. Nut meat one way, shells the other. Crane lifts the lid off a massive transformer, revealing fins and coils. A clever trolley slides heavy, awkward gear on and off trucks with fingertip control. Industrial cutter chews a thick plastic pipe into neat chips and shavings. Cargo ship launch, old school style. Air rollers send it gliding into the sea. Blacksmith teamwork. One worker and a power hammer forge a massive piece to shape. Excavator claw crushes a truck with terrifying efficiency. Heat, twist, release. A machine turns steel rod into spring coils in seconds. A laminator bonds a thick yellow sheet with clear film for a tough finish. Tea harvester trims and collects leaves in one smooth pass. CNC router carves a flawless dovetail joint. Perfect fit every time. Thermal forming line heats, forms, cuts, and stacks plastic cups at warp speed. Induction heating brings a metal cylinder to forging temp, clean and controlled. Another induction system melts metal efficiently, no flame, just focused energy. Robot arm uses suction cups to lift and palletize powder bags precisely. Which machine impressed you most today? Comment below and catch the next episode of D.Machinery.